Hey guys, let's get started by opening a new file. The size will be 90 millimeters wide and 50 millimeters high. Color mode goes to CMYK with 300 dpi, and yeah, I'll name this one Business Card. Alright, now let's bring in the logo we want on the card. Just copy it, go to Edit, paste, and drop it right into the file. I'll put the logo on the left. Looks nicer. Okay, rectangle tool time. I'll draw a rectangle, set it to 38 by 3 millimeters, and fill it with 90% black. Now I want to make a copy of this rectangle. So I go up to Edit, hit Copy, then right after that, Edit Arrow Paste in front, so it's pasted right on top. I select the box, drag it to the right, and let's give it a gradient, just like the logo. Now we open the Gradient panel and switch it to Freeform Gradient. First point, magenta 30 and yellow 100. Second point, cyan 0, magenta 100, yellow 100, and black 0. Third point, magenta set to 100. Then I move the point a little to get a smooth blend. And the last point, cyan 100, magenta 90. Adjust the points a bit. Wow, that looks really nice. Okay, now I'll grab the Direct Selection tool. I'll select the nodes of both rectangles together and drag them to the right so they look a bit more graphic. Now I'll select both of these horizontal boxes. Go to Object, Group, then Horizontal Align Center. Perfect, right in the middle. Next, I want the logo lined up with the left box. So I select both, hit Align Left. Let's grab the Type tool. Click on the page and type the card title. Highlight it. Change the font to Railway Bold, size 10 point. Looks great. Now copy the text. Use paste in front, so it's right on top. Move it down. Change it to the job title. Highlight it, set the weight to light, and size it to 7 point. Then with the arrow keys on the keyboard, I nudge them closer together. Much better. To add a bit of style, Rectangle tool again. I'll draw a line right next to the text. Set the color to cyan 100. Nice little touch. Now I select both the text and the line, Object, Group, and place them here. Yeah, this spot looks better. Now I'm going to go over and grab the icons from another file. Then, from the Edit menu, I just hit Copy. After that, I come back into my business card project, and from Edit, I go ahead and hit Paste. Then I select the icons with the right side box and align them together. Looks neat. Back to the Type tool. Font weight medium. Size 6.3 point. Type the location. With the Selection tool, I line it up with the icon, nudge it with the keyboard arrows. Done. Now copy that text. Paste in front, so it's right on top. Move it down in front of the phone icon and type phone. Copy it once more. Or just use the shortcut Ctrl+C and Ctrl+F. This time I move it down in front of the email icon and type email. Finally, I'll select all the text. Click Control Panel, align left, and boom! The business card is finished. And hey, if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe, give it a like, and maybe share it with a friend.